In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports in Hubstaff. If you need to save your report, share it with someone else, or keep a copy for your records, Hubstaff makes the export process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process so you can quickly download the report you need without any confusion. To begin, open Hubstaff and make sure you're in the main dashboard area. From there, look for the report section in the menu and click on Report. This is where Hubstaff organizes the different reporting options available to you. Reports are useful because they let you review time data, activity, payments, and other project-related information in a format that's easy to analyze or share. Once you're inside the report section, the next thing you need to do is select a report type. This step is important because Hubstaff offers different report views depending on the kind of information you want to export. For example, one report type may focus on time tracked, while another may show team activity or project details. Take a moment to choose the report that matches what you need before exporting. This helps make sure the file you download includes the right data and saves you from having to repeat the process later. After you've selected the report type, review the page briefly to confirm you're looking at the correct report. It's always a good idea to double check that the report shown on screen is the one you want to download, especially if you're working with multiple projects or date ranges in your account. When you're ready, click on the arrow down icon to download the report. This is the export button, and selecting it will start the download process. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically save to your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If needed, rename the file afterwards so it's easier to find later, especially if you export reports regularly. That's all it takes to export reports in Hubstaff. The process is simple. Go to Report, select the report type you want, and then click the arrow down icon to download it. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.